In iRecord, whenever you import your broker's contract note, nowadays with the new SEBI guidelines, a lot of brokers have rampantly changed their broker formats and try to give you a specific bifurcation between delivery trades and intraday trades. However, in case if you're still not sure that marking of intraday is accurately done within the software or not, we have a feature in under tools and utilities known as Mark Intraday. This feature will allow you to rerun the entire file of all the contracts you have imported by auto marking it again for the intraday trades that has taken basis your timestamp. So basis your timestamp will again redetect the entire intraday trading that you have done and again remark whatever speculative income or loss you might have been possibly missed out. So simply you have to come over here, select all and just mark. Hit on the mark button. Once you do that, background process will run one by one segment wise. It will rerun all the intraday markings and give you an accuracy for your capital gain loss, speculative income and loss statement. So this is really a nice feature if you just want to be double sure about that entire accounting has been done accurately.